Hi girls, it's Jenny with Planner Perfect, and I know everyone's been looking forward to this video, but this is the December Planner and Journal subscription box reveal. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, before I flip you around and show you, I'm excited for this one. I did have an amazing fun time painting this box. And you're gonna see the girl has come back for December. I also have a special treat for the tip-ins, which I can't wait to show you. And honestly, I feel like the washi is out of bounds, okay? So without further ado, let's take a look at the subscription box. Okay, here we are. We are back, ready for the December/Christmas Planner and Journal subscription box kit. So these will be arriving at your door very, very shortly. Let's dive right in. If you're new, there are some missing components. There's a card and things and some fun little paper. But for ease of this, I decided to really just get rid of some of that extra stuff for right now till I can easily show you the sneak peek. And here it is. So there's the journal, and here's your December girl. She really did turn out beautiful. This was done in watercolor, and she really turned out really good. I hope you girls love it. You know what I love a lot about it too? The back. Okay? Who doesn't love freaking tartan plaid? I know I do, and that is why I chose it for the back. Hi. Hello. I mean, you want to be just as visually pleased when you go to open your planner as well as when you flip it over to, in your traveler's notebook, to journal why you're so blessed in your journal. So check this out. Number one, I love combining plaids. Okay, it's cool, it's gorgeous, and it's pleasing to the eye. And so I did a beautiful buffalo check. I chose that for this. I painted this wreath, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to use it as the O, and of course wrote joy to the world. So I thought this turned out absolutely lovely, and the details, it's all in the details. Do you see my gingerbread? He's saying Merry Christmas as well. Do you see that? Look how beautiful this looks together, first off. And then what? Like what? That's what I know you're saying that. Because it's so cute. I mean, this, honestly, look it. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I'll tell you what. I want to be just as pleased at what I'm planning in as you guys get it. So I'm painting this for me, with you in mind. And I'm just, because I have to love it, and I'm screaming because I'm going to be working in these. And when you get the finished product, it's just like, ah. And of course the stitching is always gorgeous with the red thread, which is really signature for our brand, and we love it. And I hope you girls love this too. All right, I'm going to show you right now the cute washi. Okay? So one of the things I'm loving about it is with this round, I've got a beautiful buffalo check washi here. I think I'm going to take off the wrapper for you if I've got time, but I'm trying to get a good look. This is my son Taylor's reindeer. He's in our store. His art is featured in my store quite a bit. But here is his reindeer, and then it's on black. Yeah. I mean, everything about this box just really flows and matches, And I'm loving the mixing and matching of different plaids. And then this one, this is just so appropriate. And I wanted it to say Merry Christmas. So this looks outstanding. I mean, this turned out really, really good. I love it. Let's go ahead and take a look now at the tip-ins. What's special about these beautiful tip-ins is that now for Christmas, you have one of each. So you have 12 different ones. So I wanted it to be special for Christmas, and this is what I had done. Now, so here is a buffalo check, baby, it's cold outside. How cute is that? Holiday baking, because you all know how important that is. And you know what I made this year? A little calendar for you. I just hand drew and painted all of this, like all of this, even this, as you can tell. But it's beautiful. I thought it turned out really, 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 really cute. And it would be also, I mean, just cute tucked in anywhere to check your dates. Beautiful, turned out really cute. There's my cute car with the tree, home for Christmas, and I just put him all frenzied everywhere. Hello, December. How cute. I just love all the different ones. Hot cocoa weather. What's really fun about this one is I drew this cup up, and of course I did watercolor on this. And then I also have a candy cane that, well, I painted the candy cane once, and then we just created it to be a heart. We did 2 candy canes together and created a heart. I was like, yeah. And then we've got the tartan plaid around it. Another amazing little detail. Hot cocoa weather. It's just fun. Of course, this one, which is our journal. May your days be merry and bright. You got to bring some of the other art and then refreshen it. This is our Christmas girl. Here's my son's work. This is in ink, and it says the North Pole. I mean, so this is exactly what your washi is, except without the North Pole. So I thought I'm going to bring it onto the tip-in. Look at how cute. I mean, honestly. I know. My Santa, believe. It always makes me think of Polar Express. I believe, you know. And then we've got to bring Vintage Santa back. I wanted you to have all of the favorites. And then, of course, the new girl. I wanted you just to experience all of it for Christmas. Here are the cute stickers. They turned out super cute as well. Old and new. And I got the new girl, my gingerbread. You can plunk him anywhere and it'd be cute. I've got my nutcrackers, the cute hot cocoa. Here's my candy cane, the one we put on the coffee mug, the hot cocoa mug. Here's Joy on the tartan plaid background. So cute. My lights, holiday baking, hot cocoa weather, ho 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 on the Santa. So cute. You get 2 of those. And then this one is also cute. You get my son's reindeer, the reindeer. We've got Joy to the World. We've got the angel that have featured before, Baby It's Cold Outside. I love this one, December 25th. I love that. A tree, some little lights, and then the Vintage Santa, which is one of our favorites. So girls, this is what's coming to you. Like within the next week here. There it is. Merry Christmas. I hope you love this as much as I had making it for you.